Welcome. Today's divine outlook. The day started off going outside after witnessing a beautiful shade in the sky. 6 a.m. morning sky showing a rather dull blue, but it was blue even though the sky was covered in clouds. It was going from night into day, hence that hue. Moving on out into the day came a rather wet outlook. Dull, not freezing, not warm, provided a rather sparse time of the day for a rather peaceful walk, to go out into the world. Birds can be heard praising, the trees could be seen growing. Felt like no other person was around, and so walking and walking, the rain fell, and flowing past was a river. Flowing past was a river, disregarding the day. The outlook, well, other than the weather, the education given from God above was attitude and behavior. We have attitudes and we have behaviors. We can be truly wonderful with it, and perhaps not so at other times. Children can be very innocent, but they can provide us the most wonderful template for attitude and behavior. Attitude and behavior it's something that can be reflected upon in the world around us. Children can be challenging with their attitude and behavior, but maybe their outlook can be very simple. They can be happy about the slightest things, but I guess it's how they're fed. Which determines how they grow and how their attitude and behavior evolves. We were all once children. How has our attitude and behavior changed throughout the years, throughout the months, throughout the days, throughout the hours, and throughout the minutes? And yet through it all, the trees grow, the trees blow, and the birds, they still praise. In God's wonderful world.